Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Zoosk account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser and type in www.zoosk.com and press the enter on your keyboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and enter your information in the text boxes at the right corner of the screen and sign up to a new account. If you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the upper right and in the login boxes, type in your email address and your password to log in. Start by entering your email address. Type in a valid email address, move on to the next password box, and if you already know your password, you can go ahead and type it in the text box. But in case you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset to a new password, click on Forgot Password link right below. The next step is to enter your email address in order to receive an email with a link to reset your password. Type in the email address that you used during the sign up process, make sure to type it in correct, and click on Reset Password. Now, you can go ahead and tap open a new tab and sign into your email ID. Make sure to go and check the email from the email ID that you just typed in the email address text field, and you'll be able to receive an instruction to reset your password. Click on the link that has been sent to you and you'll be able to change your password on the next page. That is how you can easily reset your password for your Zoosk account, quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.